Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the exciting world of business analysis and explore what is a business analyst. Today's video is going to be absolutely epic. We're diving deep into the study of business analysis. So, without further ado, let's jump right into our study of business analysis and get ready for an incredible journey together. Thank you for being here. Let's make this video unforgettable. In today's fast-paced and dynamic business world, the role of a business analyst has become more critical than ever before. As companies strive to remain competitive and adapt to constant changes, the art of business analysis has emerged as a cornerstone of success. So, why is business analysis so important in today's business landscape? First and foremost, business analysis empowers organizations to make informed, strategic decisions. It's the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data that guides executives and managers in shaping the company's direction. Business analysts help companies allocate resources efficiently. By identifying areas of improvement and streamlining processes, businesses can reduce costs and maximize their investments. Meeting customer needs is paramount in today's competitive landscape. Business analysts gather and translate customer feedback into actionable insights, ensuring products and services align with market demands. In a world of uncertainty, risk mitigation is essential. Business analysts assess potential risks, enabling companies to develop strategies to minimize disruptions and navigate challenges. Adaptation and innovation are keys to staying relevant. Business analysts identify emerging trends and technologies, helping organizations evolve and seize new opportunities. In summary, business analysis isn't just a role within an organization. It's the compass guiding businesses through today's complex landscape. It enables strategic decision-making, efficient resource allocation, customer centricity, risk management, and the pursuit of innovation. Now, before we explore the intricacies of the role of a business analyst, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a business analyst? At its core, a business analyst, often referred to as a BA, is a professional who serves as a bridge between business objectives and technology solutions. The business analyst plays a pivotal role in organizations of all sizes and across various industries. Here's a breakdown of what a business analyst does. First and foremost, a business analyst is responsible for gathering and documenting requirements. They work closely with stakeholders, including clients, managers, and end users, to understand their needs and objectives. Business analysts are problem solvers. They analyze complex business problems, they break them down into manageable components, and propose solutions.
Another crucial aspect of a business analyst's role is process improvement. They examine existing business processes and workflows, identifying areas for enhancement and increased efficiency. Effective communication is key. Business analysts act as intermediaries between technical teams and non-technical stakeholders. They ensure everyone involved has a common understanding of project objectives. In a nutshell, a business analyst is a versatile professional who wears many hats: a problem solver, a communicator, a process improver, and a requirements guru.
Data analysis is another critical aspect. Business analysts extract, clean, and analyze data to derive insights. They use data to make informed recommendations and guide decision-making. Now, let's talk about the essential skills that make a successful business analyst. Analytical skills are a must. Business analysts must dissect complex problems and devise effective solutions. They possess the ability to think critically and connect the dots. Strong communication skills are essential for bridging the gap between technical and non-technical teams. They convey ideas clearly, listen actively, and facilitate productive discussions. So there you have it, the key responsibilities and skills of a business analyst. Whether you're aspiring to be a business analyst or simply want to understand their vital role in organizations, remember that they are the driving force behind innovation and efficiency. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of business analysis right here on Commerciamind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep learning and growing together.